Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Stability AI has just released an incredible new beta version of their SDXL model called SDXL Turbo. SDXL Turbo is a groundbreaking new text-to-image AI model that is capable of generating high-quality images in just a blink. This is a significant improvement over previous models, which typically requires dozens or even hundreds of steps to produce an image. SDXL Turbo is still in beta, but it is already available for public use. Right now, I'm using it on clipdrop.co. Check out the link in the description to try it out for yourself. It's truly mind-blowing. Make sure to watch the entire video because I'll explain how it works. And trust me, it's really amazing. So I'm going to start typing in here. I'm going to type car. Then I'm going to type here bike. Next, I'm going to type here raining. See this, it's going to amaze me in just a blink. Alright, let's type something else. Let's type mango. Then I'm gonna type raining. Let's try something else. A woman is enjoying a cup of coffee. Now let's type here in the rain. Watch this, it's going to surprise me in an instant. SDXL Turbo is based on a new technique called Adversarial Diffusion Distillation. In short, you can call it ADD. ADD is a type of distillation that uses two neural networks to train each other. One network generates images, while the other network tries to distinguish between real and fake images. This process forces the generator network to produce increasingly realistic images. So that was the simple explanation of the model behind SDXL Turbo. I hope you understood and let me know your thoughts on SDXL Turbo. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.